Hi class, sorry I couldn't be there this morning, but I do have an assignment for you, and I'll give you the instructions for it in this video. And it's based on the movie we saw about the astronauts in Apollo 13. Keep in mind for this assignment that we want to be good collaborators, which means I want you guys to be patient with each other. Don't interrupt someone while they're talking. And I want you all to practice to be real good listeners. I know you're going to have questions, so take a minute and think about what you're going to ask before you even ask it. It's a lot easier to answer a well-asked question, such as, considering what we already know about something, how will we make that reply? So guys, I want you to do a good job on that. Practice those skills. So for this assignment, I want you to break up in groups of 4, and I'm just going to go ahead and assign you numbers 1 through 4 so you can see what each group needs to do. But the 1 group will be the astronauts. Your assignment is to research what caused the explosion in the service module. I want you to tell us exactly what exploded and how it affected that service module. The next group will be the 2's group, and the 2's group will be the NASA controllers at Houston, and your task is to describe how the controllers communicated with the astronauts to find out what exactly they were experiencing in space. How did the pilots describe the indications that they were seeing? What lights were on? The different malfunctions that were going on at that time. The 3's group are going to be the engineers. Your assignment is to describe how they finally came up with a solution using both the simulator and the spare parts they had on hand in order to come up with another way to rig an oxygen tank. The 4's group, now you're going to be our illustrators. You're going to tell this story in print, so to speak. This group has a task of drawing the events that occurred, such as the original flight plan for the Apollo 13. Draw things and answer questions in these drawings about, like, where was it going? How long was it going to be there? When was it scheduled to actually return? I want you guys to use your imaginations and come up with some really great drawings that tell the story of what happened. I know you're going to all do a great job, and when I see you in class tomorrow, we'll go over the assignments and see how you did. Take care.